In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Magic Eraser tool within Canva to seamlessly edit images. This tool is handy for those little tweaks that can make a big difference. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to go to your Canva project. For those who might be new to Canva, it's a brilliant online design platform that allows you to create anything from striking social media graphics to refined presentations. To begin, just open your web browser and navigate to Canva, logging in if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, locate your existing project you wish to work on. If you haven't started one yet, simply create a new project by tapping on the Create a Design button and selecting the type of design you want to work on. After your project is open, you'll see your design space in front of you. Now let's talk about selecting the image you want to edit. Browse through your elements or design space and click on the image you'd like to modify. Canva makes it user-friendly to select and navigate through different elements of your design, making your editing process smoother. Once your image is selected, you should see a variety of editing options appear at the top of the screen. Next, click on Edit to proceed into the more detailed editing tools that Canva offers. Among these options, look for Magic Eraser. This tool is a fantastic feature when you need to remove specific parts of an image. With Magic Eraser, you can target specific areas on your image that you'd like to erase without affecting the entire photo. It's quite effective when you want to remove unwanted elements gently without altering the surrounding parts, perfect for refining your project to look just right. Once you've clicked on Magic Eraser, simply drag your cursor over the area on your image that you wish to erase. Take your time with this step to ensure precision. The clean removal of sections is what can enhance the overall appearance of your image. And there you have it, our editing process is complete. With these steps, you can now skillfully remove sections of your image, creating a polished design effortlessly. Using these features effectively in Canva will undoubtedly bolster your creative projects, letting you express your ideas with even more flair and finesse. I hope you found our tutorial on using the Magic Eraser tool in Canva both informative and practical. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Have fun experimenting with this technique on your design projects. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.